Good morning. Welcome to Echotraders. It's now 9:37, almost 9:38. We're in the training room with looking at the YM, and the YM has come to a target here of 17,726 and a money off at 17,724. This is a confluence area for that, and the market is trying to find resistance to get to targets farther down. Now we do have lower targets. Once we get resistance, we have to bring the EMA, or the market does, right back down. We're looking for a pullback to the upside here. The candle is not finished. It still has a running time of 1 minute and 24 seconds left to go. And we're looking for a pullback to the upside on that to reestablish resistance, maybe even grab a hold of the EMA and yank it down the hill a little bit. So roughly halfway of this here large red candle, and 3/4 of the way gets into which is really what we're looking at, 17,755 area. 3/4 of the way gets into a dangerous territory of finding support. So the market on the larger time frame has reached this here support area, 38.2%. So we'll come back and keep you posted here. Okay, so we've had a nice pullback to where we expected to have the pullback, a little bit beyond, and we'll see if the SMA holds as a support area. The EMA has not gone up and down through. So this is to grab a hold of the EMA and then yank it down through. This is a money off area here, as well as down in here. We'll pull this here up and we'll copy it to the downside. It's never a straight line to targets. And this year brings us down to our 141, and that's at 17,716.
Target reach.
Okay, we just thought we'd bring you up to date. It's about 10 to 10 here, and market is just about to the target here, so we'll just stay right with it. All right, here we are on the YM. We have the confluence target area 17,715 and 17,716. Because the market has reached that target, you have put money in your pocket, or at least have locked it in. This here does not mean the target reached won't be exceeded. Our larger time frame target, we're just going to show you that now, is down here quite a little distance, and that target is 17,653 area. Now we know there will be hurdles along the way. This is a great confluence area of what we're talking about, is right up in here. We'll look for the market to stumble two places. One is right here at 17,703, which the market is reaching right now. Okay, I apologize. I had said 17,703. The actual number is 04. The market has come to 04. And as soon as it reached there, it mostly goes one tick beyond, but not necessarily. Once it has reached the exhaustion area, the caution, black and yellow area here, it has retested our confluence number. So we'll see if the next one can drop down to our next area here. All right, the market has reached the top part of our confluence area that we were talking about for a target. We'll also look for a little pullback on the large price action candle. There's 15 seconds left. We'll see if we get a pullback to about a quarter of the way maybe. And between that and the next candle, we'll see if the 17704 gets retested right up in here. That's a long way, so you're just going to bring your stop down to less than halfway on the red price action candle, and the green candle should come back up. Hopefully not 3/4 of the way. This is where it could retest, so if your stop is down in here, you will likely get stopped out of this trade. We will look for this here candle to pull back to the upside, cease, and then we should trade, the price action candle should trade to the bottom of that confluence area. We'll see what happens. We'll come back in a few moments and keep you updated. Okay, let's bring ourselves up to date. The market has tested the top of our confluence area. It has come back and tested for resistance, and our caution area has held as a resistance area. The market has come to the bottom of that and proceeded to break down through. Now we'll see if we can get our next targets down here. If you have a runner left and haven't removed yourself completely out of the market, try to get in the habit of letting the market take you out. Easier said than done. So it's about 10:26 right now, looking pretty good that our confluence area is going to hold as a resistance area. It was came down to and became a brief support area. It has retested our price action candle here. We're looking for it to take out this low, and we'll see if we can get that. It'll retest this area. This is about 50% of this confluence to the next confluence area that we often see the price action pull back to the upside retest. You're looking for now. You're looking for this here to hold as a resistance, and we'll see if we get a retest of this here low area. If the market can take out that low, we get filled down here with our runner, providing you have one. If not, you have your runner locked in, because the market can come back to grab the EMA. Now, the divergence here between the EMA and the SMA is beginning to get larger, but we'll keep you posted here. All right, here we are back. It's nice to have our small achievements. Market has made it to 17,657 and slightly beyond. We'll see if we can hang on and get that extra little bit here to 5.3. If you have a contract left, you have choices to make here. You're either in the pecking order to take yourself out at the larger time frame target. I'll move the crosshair so you can see this here should hit that target, and or you're managing the winning trade with moving your stop down. So your stop should be approximately locked in right here. Here we go. Our target is reached, 17,653. Now, same thing as before. It doesn't mean it'll stop, but it is hesitating, and there's only 40 seconds left to go. Here's a rundown timer at the top of your screen for how many seconds is left. The last 15 seconds of this candle is crucial, and your live running clock is 10:39 and 37 seconds. All right, target reached. This is a wonderful feeling that you can either have the market has filled your target and you're looking for it to stumble. So if you haven't got in the pecking order, then you must lock in that money. You must lock it in. So, money in your pocket. Till next time, trade well, my friends.